Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ria and in today's video I will be sharing with you my planner for 2022. As you guys know, I always buy a planner and this year as well I have purchased a planner which is just under 200 rupees. I'm not going to reveal the actual price now. So first you need to go subscribe to my channel, and now without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first things first, this planner that I have right now is like not much like a planner. It's a DIY planner, you can say, because every time I purchase a planner, I spend thousands and 2,000 on a planner, and I end up not using it after July. Because this happens to everyone, you know, in the beginning of the year we're really motivated, we focus on our goals, we do a lot of things, we decorate our planner, we do so much, and when we are half the way throughout the year we are just so bored and we are figuring out what to do with our life, and that sort of confusion always happens. And also with COVID around, you know that sometime suddenly there's a new variant and then there's a lockdown and then again you're lazy and you don't want to do things, and maybe because of the negativity around that things are just slowing down and you know businesses are shut and all this, it really makes you so negative, you don't feel like doing anything, and that is when your planner goes to waste and your money also goes to waste. So that is the reason I thought, why not try to save money this year and make a DIY planner. And now I'm going to be showing you my DIY planner. So this is what my planner looks like. So basically the cover of the planner is not how it was. This is my vision board for 2022 that I've already made and printed, and I've stuck it on the cover. And it's a hardcover notebook actually that I've purchased. It's a 5-subject notebook by Yuva brand, I guess. Yeah, this is a brand by Navneet itself, and the actual price of this book is 240 rupees, but on discount it is available on Amazon all the time, and I got it for 186 rupees, but it's on discount all the time on Amazon. I'll leave the Amazon link in my description box, so in case you want to purchase it, you can go click the link and purchase it. Now coming to what is inside. Now basically if you see, the vision board is right here. I wanted my vision board on the top so that even if I'm not opening the notebook, I can just have a glimpse of my vision board, because that is really important and the motive of vision board is that. And I'll make a separate video on how I made my vision board and everything. Right now let me show you what the planner looks like inside. So first, when you open, there is this yellow plain blank pages. I could have stuck my vision board here as well, but there is a purpose. As I said, I wanted a glimpse of my vision board every day, like just on the top and as a priority. So I've stuck it on the hardcover, the front section. Then when I open, there is this blank page here. I will maybe write my name or make the thing, this planner belongs to Ria or something like that. Then when I open, there is this page where I have written the affirmations that I love, and I'll be repeating those every day. Then from here there are these kind of pages. Now if you see, here there is a section where you can write a date, and here the title, and then you can write down. So basically it's like an undated planner where you can put the date of whichever day you want to plan for, and then you have lines, right? So basically I'm planning to section it out for as in a to-do list, affirmations or gratitude or notes section, So if I divide the page, apne aap sab kuch ban jayega. I could make a habit tracker as well. So that is what is in my mind, what I'm going to be doing with this. And the pages in this are 400. Now if you consider a planner, there are 365 days, right? So 365 chhod diya, to bhi there are a lot of extra pages wherein you can make your habit tracker, money tracker, and all the possible trackers that you get in a basic planner these days. And for stickers, I have my last year's sticker books, which are just waste. So I'll be using those. You could even make your own stickers, but that's the whole idea behind my planner. I just hope you like it, and this was a very short video because it was a very easy planner thing, It's not actually a DIY but a DIY. So yeah, that's it for today's video. In case you like this video or my idea, do let me know in the comment section what are your views on this. If it was a good idea to save my money and just make my own planner, or if it was a bad idea, just let me know. your views. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on my social media. Leave the links on the screen, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.